If you think you want to cook, but you're too afraid to start, the Rasta man said that it comes from the heart. Miss Tasty. Mrs. Tasty. There once was a lady, she felt those words so deep. I hear that she could cut a radish in her sleep. Miss Tasty. Mrs. Tasty. She'll take herself an apple and she'll mix it with the pumpkin, sprinkle in some garlic. It's really, really something. Miss Tasty. Mrs. Tasty.
One love.
She don't eat no steak and she don't eat no possum. According to a jar, that's really, really awesome. Miss Tasty. Mrs. Tasty. Sometimes she does her bacon when she's waking. Welcome to her vegetarian space station. Mrs. Tasty.
Hooray! Do you need it?
Callaloo. You hold it still for one second. That's right there. Yeah. Actually, reach it towards the mirror. Forward there. There, keep jumping around and changing the light.
Welcome to Jamaica. I am Miss Tasty and this is my vegetarian space station, location Negril, Jamaica. For those of you that don't know, Negril, Jamaica is located on the west end of Jamaica. Today we have a few guests, one of which is Barrett and the other one left. Here is a perfect example of a bunch of stuff that we're not going to be using today. This is Aki. This is Chocho. Tenderizes. This is a sour sop, and it looks a little something like this. Isn't that good? Is that look good? In every Jamaican kitchen, there's a few things. There's a machete that you bought from a guy in a parking lot. There is always one Jamaican mug with weed flowers on it. There's always flowers.
Lizard's hand-drawn shells.
What is Jamaica? Usually I tell everybody something different, but today there's only one thing that Jamaica is, and it is
Time to cook.
So we're gonna make a couple things today, two things, but they're gonna become one life lesson. First thing is callaloo. What is callaloo? Callaloo is a leafy green similar to chard, kale. You could cook it the exact same way. So remember that when you're sitting on your couch in Toledo, Ohio.
And we're back.
Welcome back. So where were we? A lot of people sometimes ask me, Miss Tasty, what's your number? And I say 420. And other questions that people ask me are, where can I find these ingredients in the States? And I say, at your supermarket. So, what?
We're gonna need booze.
I think
It's gonna
cute.
be boring.
Well,
Not you, just the whole thing. Need more beers. We should just start shooting because the
Yeah.
sun's gonna go down.
all right, so we'll do Q&A. And
Nice one!
yeah, man, we're getting into callaloo now. We're gonna get into the cooking of it. You remember the first episode of Miss Tasty's? Tofu? Put that head on. Smoke that. Get back to me. Talk about it.
So,
How do I cook callaloo? Callaloo. Take some olive oil. Let's do 3 of these tiny spoonfuls. I don't know what the amount is. We're gonna take some onions.
mince them up.
And we're gonna go ahead and add that into this hot. We're gonna add, take your machete. Make sure you cook those until they get a nice, translucent, fragrant personality. Take the callaloo, and we're just gonna toss it in there with the onions. Wah-wah. Wah-wah, wah-wah. Tulip? I can hear you.
I like it when you call me Tulip.
So here we are. It's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, the callaloo's gotten nice and dark and wilted. You know, if you are feeling like, you know, crazy, you could add salt and pepper. Sometimes I don't take it that far. but today I will. And then we call it Callaloo. It is done. Let's move on to the plantains. Hot in Jamaica, man. All right, you guys, this is also extremely easy. If you can't do it, then you check yourself in. So here's a plantain. It's pretty good. It's kind of soft, but it's harder than banana. That's what she said. All right, come on. So we take a machete, slice it down the side. Don't be scared. We're gonna cook it in little
Diced up pieces.
just like that. We're in Jamaica, man. I'm sweating down my butt crack, man.
Hold on, I need a little rest. My arm
So do I.
is killing me. Oh my god, I'm dying.
The point of Miss Tasty is hopefully, but if you follow my
Guided meditations.
you too will not have to measure anything. Got a nice, fresh flame. Oil's getting hot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the plantains in. Yeah, man. Make sure that they're nice and coated with oil. Enough to let the babies have a bath. Here I have some minced up Scotch bonnet. 1 shot worth. And we're gonna throw it in. Garlic is the last ingredient. If I can catch that motherfucker. He's dancing around my board like a chimichanga lovin'. We're gonna throw the garlic in there with the plantains and the Scotch bonnets. Everything's looking and smelling
real nice. Let me tell ya.
oops.
Real nice. Let me tell ya.
Oops. We're gonna cook, these are pretty much done. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm adding thyme. Yeah, this is the fountain of youth. Right here is when you add thyme to a dish. Anybody ever tell you that? Someone, no, I recommended it to myself.
All right, hot, 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 hot.
It's hot. All right, check it out. This is looking pretty good. Smelling even better. I don't even know if I want to eat cheddar cheese anymore because I got that plantain and it looks the same, but I'm gonna go insane when I wrap in. Here we go. Look at how dark yellow, caramelized. The sugars are out to party. Everyone's invited. We're ready to serve it up, man. So, who's hungry, man? Is anybody hungry out there? And now, let me introduce the one, the only, Cami
Fire!
This is Cami Kardashian. Looks great. Wow, lots of colors up here. Nice and hot right out of the pan. There's more where that came from, man. Yeah, yum. That's about it. I want you to go home and cook these things for your friends and family, because that's what it all
That's what all about.
Jobless. I want to introduce you to my band, the Tattoo Man.
If you think you want to cook, but you're too afraid to start, the Rasta man said that it comes from the heart. Miss Tasty.